How to hard reset a Samsung phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll walk you through the steps on how can you hard reset a Samsung phone. To do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So there are a couple of different methods you could do it. So what you want to do is, first of all, you could actually hold on to your volume button as well as to your side button at the same time. You have to actually do it this way, and here you could see this option, right? But what you need to do is, when your phone is frozen or if you see a black screen, then you cannot find this option. You have to actually press on it until you find the Samsung logo. Once you do it, so it's going to be hard reset. The other way to do it so is that do the same procedure as I mentioned, but you'll need to then connect your USB cable with your laptop or to your PC. And once you do it, so you could then go ahead and make sure to reset. You could go ahead and make sure to toggle on the button. Once again, you have to hold on to this particular side. Once you actually do it, so then you could go and make sure to click on power off. Then it's going to help you out. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.